The case of Jane Doe in Walker County, Texas, is a haunting mystery that has captivated the public and law enforcement since it first emerged in the early 1980s. In 1980, the remains of a young woman were discovered in a wooded area near a rural road, sparking an investigation that would last decades. Initially dubbed Jane Doe, the victim was estimated to be between 15 and 25 years old, but her identity remained unknown, and her story was largely forgotten. The discovery was made by a group of deer hunters, who stumbled upon the skeletal remains partially concealed by underbrush. An autopsy revealed that the young woman had met a violent end, indicating homicide. Investigators worked tirelessly to uncover clues, leading them to believe she may have been a victim of a serial killer who targeted vulnerable women in the area during that time. Despite efforts to identify her through missing persons reports and forensic analysis, the case grew cold, leaving Jane Doe's identity shrouded in mystery. For years, the case remained stagnant, with little progress made in identifying the victim or uncovering the circumstances surrounding her death. The lack of advanced forensic technology at the time hampered efforts, and leads dwindled. However, as time passed, renewed interest in cold cases led to a revival of investigative efforts. Advances in DNA technology offered a glimmer of hope for uncovering Jane Doe's identity and bringing justice to her story. In recent years, law enforcement agencies, along with forensic experts, revisited the case. They utilized DNA profiling and genealogical research, methods that had successfully solved numerous cold cases across the country. This innovative approach involved analyzing Jane Doe's DNA and comparing it with databases to find potential relatives. The collaboration of amateur sleuths and genealogists also played a crucial role, raising awareness and generating new leads. Finally, in 2022, a breakthrough occurred when investigators were able to identify Jane Doe as 15-year-old Darlene C. Neel, who had gone missing from a nearby town. The revelation provided some closure to her family, who had long mourned the loss of their daughter without answers. While her identification was a significant step forward, the case still raises questions about the circumstances of her death and the person responsible for her murder. The story of Jane Doe in Walker County is not just a tale of tragedy but also a testament to the persistence of law enforcement and the advancements in forensic science, highlighting the importance of seeking justice for those who can no longer speak for themselves.